Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bad Dreams on guitar. We will begin by identifying the core chords that form the song's foundation, which are crucial for its sound. Then, we will explore the essential strumming pattern to capture its unique rhythm and feel. Finally, I will provide helpful practice tips to help you master the entire piece, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable playing experience. The heart of Bad Dreams lies in its simple yet effective chord progression. You will primarily use 4 open chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. Focus on transitioning smoothly between these shapes, ensuring each note rings out clearly. Consistent practice of these changes will build your finger strength and muscle memory, making the song much easier to play. To truly capture the feel of Bad Dreams, mastering the strumming pattern is key. A common and effective pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to maintain a steady tempo, aiming for around 100 beats per minute. Emphasize the first downstroke of each measure to give the song its characteristic drive and rhythmic pulse. This consistency will make your playing sound authentic. Consistent practice is essential for mastering Bad Dreams. Start by playing the chords and strumming pattern very slowly, gradually increasing your speed as you feel more comfortable. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and rhythmic accuracy. Finally, try playing the entire song from start to finish, enjoying the satisfaction of bringing it all together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.